Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I know I've been gone for about a week or so, but I've been going under a lot of stress lately and it has been showing on my skin, but now I'm feeling a little bit better and I'm ready to film. And another quick thing, my boxes have been arriving like really late this month, so like I haven't had any boxes to unbox lately. So I finally got my first box of this month, and it's actually a March box. It is the Beauteque monthly box. And quick rant about Beauteque, I'm a little bit annoyed because I kind of wish I would be receiving them the month that it is. Like with Beauteque, I'm always getting a month behind. Like last month, that was March, I was unboxing February, and now we're in April and I'm unboxing March. Like, Beauteque, get it together. As in like shipping the month that I'm supposed to unbox it. Without rambling on too much, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get straight to unboxing this. Opening up the box, I see right away the paper that comes with it, and it says trending now, March 2018. That's how that looks like. Opening this up, I see all of the products, but I don't see any prices. And last month we got a pamphlet with prices and the products, so I guess they change it up. I'm sorry that the lighting is like really off today. It's like the only day I get to film, and it's cloudy outside, it's raining. And the whole week was sunny and nice, and now it's like when Allie wants to film, it gets cloudy outside. But opening this up, the first thing that I see here, by the way, I've only seen 2 spoilers because that's the only thing that they released, only 2. And the first thing that I have here is an Annie's Way Arbutin and Hyaluronic Acid Brightening Jelly Mask. I don't know if this is going to pick up well since it's wrapped in plastic. There we go. That's how that looks like. Moisturizing and minimizing, and it leaves skin radiantly bright, and it purifies your pores. So this is something that I do see myself using, and like I said, Beauteque does always come with like really big packaging. Like this is like the size of this is like half of my head. So, and it feels really heavy. Like this feels like really packed. So I'm happy to be getting this in the box. Thing that I see here is a pure snail hand cream, and it's from folio. Everything is in Korean, so I'm pretty sure that it's gonna say how to use it in the pamphlet. Or actually no, it does say here. It just says the ingredients in English, but this is how that looks like. Let me see it. Let's get the camera to pick up. There we go. That's how that looks like. It looks really cute. I love receiving lotions and hand creams in my boxes because I'm always like slathering my hands with lotion, so that's something good. Before I move on with the rest of the video, I will be looking for these items on their website and listing their prices down below since they're not on the pamphlet. So if you guys want to check out the prices, I'll leave them down below. This is one of the spoilers that I was kind of like, huh, okay. It is the Juicy Pang blusher from, I'm not going to pronounce that because I have a difficulty with that. But this is what it looks like. Let's see, there we go, picking up there. That is what that looks like. It is a liquid blush. Like I said, I'm not really into cream or liquid blushes, but this is what it looks like. It looks like a nail polish. The color is really cute though. Let's open it up and check it out. Okay, that's weird. It definitely does look like a nail polish. It has the applicator and everything. Oh, but it smells so good. Let's give it a quick swatch. Let's see how this looks. Okay, it almost feels like really soft, and it feels really fresh and cooling. Okay, that's really cute. It has like a really soft tint, so I'm assuming this is like for a really natural blush look, and it really blends in very well. Like if you can see, it's like really blended here, and oh, I can't get over the smell. It smells like tutti fruit. Like I love it. I'm actually kind of excited for this. Even though the applicator and everything is kind of weird, I'm actually excited to try this out and put this on my face. Next product that I see here is, ooh, I already dropped it, I'm sorry. Next product that I see here is a mascara from Jagot. It is a super lash mascara. Everything is in Korean. But it is really cute. It has a cat on it. I feel like the packaging already sold me. Everything that has cats or dogs, I'm just like, I want it. So let's check out the wand. Even though I've been receiving tons of mascaras, I mean, you can never have enough mascara, can you? The packaging is really cute. That is something I can say. The packaging is like this really nice purple color. I love it. The top has like a really like baby blue top button. I really like that. Everything, like I said, is in Korean. Smells like mascara. The wand is actually really nice if you look at it. So I'm thinking this is gonna be like a good mascara. So I'm excited to check this out. And I'm definitely gonna be putting this on today. The next thing that I have here, it is a heating eye mask. And it is from Etude House. I believe I have received stuff from Etude House before. It is for eye relaxation, deep sleep, and aromatherapy. It looks really cute. It has like a little cat here. It says, smartphone, computer, doing homework overnight, your tired eyes need rest. The Eye Lullaby Patch provides comfortable rest to your dry, tired eyes with its cushiony texture and warm feel. So I am definitely going to be trying this out tonight because, you know, your girl is tired. Like I'm tired. So I'm definitely going to be trying this out, and I'm happy we got this as well. Last but not least, this is like really cute. I think it's like a hair like a hair cap. Let me get this open. And I think, is it like a teddy bear hair thing? Oh yes, yes it is. Look how cute this is. I guess this would be like for your shower, or for, like when you're doing your makeup and stuff and you want to like cap your hair with it. It looks really cute. Let me pick up my camera. Okay, you know what? I probably should. I'm gonna put this on and then I'm gonna be like right back. Okay, now I put on the hair cap. Let's all laugh together because I do not look like a cute teddy bear right now, but I like it. I know I'm looking very funny right now, like don't judge, but I like this, and it does really like cover all my hair, and it's a really good decent size because, you know, like my head's a little big. But I like it. It's cute, and I do see myself using all these products. I do really like this box this month. I kind of like it more than last month's. It is very more skincare type, and I like that. Beauteque monthly is $24.99 a month, I believe, plus shipping. I am gonna keep receiving this box for the next few months. I really like it, and yeah, I'll list the products and the prices down below. And if you guys want to check them out, go ahead and check out their Instagram page, which is Beauteque Monthly. And yeah, I guess that concludes my video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.